The battle between YouTube Creator AI, Gemini, and ChatGPT. Let's start a video about the Jonas Brothers. Okay, so we're just going to put this simple prompt in YouTube Creator AI to generate titles. It's going to take a little bit longer than ChatGPT or Google Gemini, so be patient, but it's going to pull up current Google trends. So you can get some accurate, up-to-date titles for your video, let's say about the Jonas Brothers. You can put in any topic here. I'm just using this for an example. So Jonas Brothers tour kicks off, Demi Lovato reunion. Jonas Brothers Jonas 20 tour, setlist secrets and surprises. So this is all up to date on what's going on with the Jonas Brothers right now. Okay, Jonas Brothers huge comeback. All right, so that's what YouTube Creator AI generated for the titles. Now let's go over here to Gemini. Okay, let's make sure we're doing the exact same prompts. I'm going to copy this. Let's go to Gemini here. This is the free version, Gemini Flash, a video about the Jonas Brothers. Okay, so when you put that in, just a simple prompt like that, it's going to give you some URLs here. Okay, so let's do a video title about the Jonas Brothers. Right, so let's go ahead and put that in. So again, my YouTube Creator AI is created for YouTube Creator, so it knows when you put that in, it needs to create a YouTube title. All right, so this is what is going on here. So I am creating a video about the Jonas Brothers. Please give me 5 YouTube titles. All right, so let's try this here again. All right, so it's really not understanding that we want a title here, okay? So let's go to ChatGPT. Let me give it a better prompt. Give me 5 titles for a YouTube video about the Jonas Brothers, please. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT comes up with here. So inside the Jonas Brothers lavish lifestyle. So these are titles that are kind of general with some keywords here, but it really doesn't pull up with what's going on with the Jonas Brothers. All right. So let's go over here. So we have these titles here. Now let's go to the description. All right. So that prompt is already there, so we don't have to put that in again. Right. So we're going to generate, and once again, it's going to take slightly longer, but it's going to be worth it because you're going to get an accurate description based on what your video topic is. All right, so be patient with it here. And since this tool knows you're creating YouTube videos, you don't have to do a specific prompt. You can just put in your topic. So dive in everything Jonas Brothers in August 2025, get the total rundown, celebrating the tour. So this is all current, trending, everything, things at their concerts, give you some long tail keywords, short tail keywords, etc. here. So if you're looking for up-to-date current YouTube titles with just some simple prompts, visit YouTubeCreatorAI.com. It's totally free, and we do offer lifetime access for a one-time payment with unlimited use.